Hi, this is Alan, and first of all, happy late Thanksgiving. And so, today, because I'm feeling lazy, instead of teaching you something, I'm just gonna give you guys one huge problem. And obviously, it's related to Thanksgiving. Mary is preparing for her Thanksgiving dinner with her family. She and her husband have 5 children, all of them which are grown up. All of them are married, but only 3 have children, which means Mary has grandchildren. And the 3 of them each have 6 children. So, if all the people mentioned above are coming to Mary's Thanksgiving party, how many people are coming? To do problems like these, the easiest way that I would say is draw a picture. So, this simple drawing accurately reflects Mary's family. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we count the number of grandkids, so 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 12 is 30, so we get 30 people who are coming to Mary's party. So, next part. Because her family isn't very wealthy, Mary cannot afford turkey for everyone. Therefore, she must substitute chicken. Mary knows that it takes 1 bird to feed 6 people, and each chicken costs $20, each turkey costs $30, and she has $120 to spend on birds. So, how many turkeys and chickens should she buy? First, we must find out how many birds are required. So we denote this as X. Because each bird can feed 6 people, 6 times X is equal to 30. So X must be 5. Simple algebra. And so now let T equal the number of turkeys and C equal to the number of chickens. So, because we know that it takes 5 birds, T plus C must equal 5. And then for our second equation, we get 30T plus 20C equals 120, which reflects the cost of each bird. So we basically multiply the first equation by 20, eliminate C, solve for T, substitute T back into the first equation, and solve for C, and we get 2 turkeys and 3 chickens. The third part. Each year at Thanksgiving, the entire family puts together a pile of 15 presents, and they are given to family members at random. What is the probability that John, a member of the family, gets a present if each family member can only get 1 present? And part B. What if each family member can get more than 1 present? Express your answer in the form a over b to the nth power, where a, b, and n are positive integers and n is maximized. So, part A. Let's use gifts as a reference point. So, we can use the idea of John not getting a present and subtract it from 1, because the probability of John not getting a present plus the probability of John getting a present is equal to 1. So, the first present has a 29 over 30 chance of not going to John. There are 30 family members, and so there are a total of 30 people that the first present can go to. And 29 of them are not John. So that's how we get 29 over 30. The next present has a 28 over 29 chance. Since one person cannot receive any more gifts, the second present can only go to 29 possible people. Of those 29 people, 28 are not John, and therefore is what we want. So this probability is 28 over 29. And we repeat this process. And so the last present has a 15 over 16 chance of not going to John. So to get the total probability, we need to multiply all of these fractions. And so we get 29 times 29 over 30 plus times 28 over 29 times 27 over 28, so on, until we get 17 over 16, typos, 17 over 18, 16 over 17, and 15 over 16. If we look carefully, we can cancel out the 20s, we can cancel out all the 20s, 27s, and so on until we cancel out 16 and 16. So we are left with 15 over 30, which is equal to 1 over 2. If a family member can get more than 1 present, we can still use the same idea as the previous part, which is using 1 minus the probability of him not getting a present. So, but now the chance of each present not being given to John is 29 over 30, because for every single present, they can go to anyone, no matter whether they have received the present or not. So we multiply this for all 15 present, and so we get 29 over 30 to the 15th power, and it's probably very confusing unless you have a calculator. But luckily, if we read the problem, it says not to express it as a reduced fractional form. It says to express it in the exponent. So we have 29 over 30 to the 15th power, which is our answer. So happy Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed your break. See you guys next time.